Hello friends! Do you want your iPhone to automatically adjust the screen brightness based on your surroundings? The auto brightness feature can help improve screen visibility and save battery life. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable it easily and let your phone adjust to the lighting conditions around you. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see new useful tutorials. And now, let's get started. So, on your iPhone's home screen, find and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down, find the Accessibility option and tap on it to open. When you're on the Accessibility page, in the Vision section at the very top, you'll see several options. Look for Display and Text Size and tap on it. Once you're on the Display and Text Size settings page, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you will see an option called Auto Brightness. Tap the switch next to it to enable it. As soon as you activate it, your iPhone will automatically adjust the screen brightness based on the lighting conditions around you. If you're in a dark environment, the screen will dim, while in a bright setting, it will increase brightness, improving visibility and reducing battery consumption. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful and successfully enabled this feature. If you did, leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.